Hello learner. Today's topic is how can we compare our two result or multiple results. So most of the time challenging time is you need to compare what happened in previous run, what happened in next run. So you need to switch between two reports and try to find those things. But there is an easy way to do those things. So I will show you here. First, make sure in your plugin merge results plugin is installed. When you install that, and then we can then with the help of this merge result, so it will be available in non-test, and we can use it for the comparing two result. How to compare? I will show you. Let's assume we will create our first run. So let's uh, run one. So first run will be happen, and let's create it and view result tree. Okay, four run. So assume this is first run, and this is a past, and now you executed the second run. Now go to here in merge results, added the path of first run. So we have saved in bin, so no need to provide full path. uh, okay, GTL, okay, and prefix run 1, run 2, and if you want regular expression you can exclude any label, include any label if as per your requirement. And here we can save its compare compare result dot jtl, open, merge. Okay, it get merged. Go to tool, generate html report, compare result.html, uses property, and output is open, generate report. It's generating reports. Okay, reports will get generated. Go to the, and here we can see the compare result, and this is index.html. Open with Firefox. Okay, here you can see run 1 and run 2 result. How it is, I guess I use the same from the previous one, so that's why request 1 and 2 get saved. But run 1 result and run 2 result. Okay, run 1 and run 2, you can see this one. To compare, in run 1, if you selected the selected one, and run 2 1, the difference 1479, these results are pretty same. But yeah, you can compare with the help of this way. Thank you.